Is your furry friend constantly licking their paws? It's not just a cute quirk, it could be a sign of discomfort or an underlying health issue. But don't worry. In this video, we'll explore some effective natural remedies to help alleviate your dog's paw licking habit. Reason 1: Allergies. 1. Hypoallergenic diet. Switch to a food that contains a novel protein source, for example, venison or duck, and a single carbohydrate source, for example, sweet potato or peas. 1. This can help identify and eliminate potential food allergens. 2. Natural grooming products. Use pet-safe, fragrance-free shampoos and conditioners to minimize exposure to potential irritants. 2. Oatmeal-based products can be soothing for itchy skin. Reason 2: Dry skin. 1. Hydration and humidity. Ensure your dog always has access to fresh, clean water. 1. If your home's air is dry, consider using a humidifier to add moisture to the environment, which can help alleviate dry skin. 2. Natural moisturizers. Apply a small amount of coconut oil or shea butter to your dog's paws. 2. These natural moisturizers are safe for dogs and can help soothe and hydrate dry, itchy skin. 2. Be sure to massage the product well into the paw pads and between the toes. Reason 3: Anxiety or boredom. 1. Mental stimulation. Provide interactive toys like puzzle feeders, snuffle mats, or treat dispensing balls to keep your dog engaged and mentally stimulated. 1. Regular training sessions and learning new tricks can also help alleviate boredom and reduce stress. 2. Exercise and quality time. Ensure your dog gets enough physical exercise through daily walks, runs, or playtime. 2. Spend quality time with your furry friend by cuddling, grooming, or simply being present to help reduce anxiety. Reason 4: Injury or infection. 1. Cleaning wounds. If you notice any cuts, abrasions, or signs of infection on your dog's paws, clean the area gently with a pet-safe antiseptic solution, such as diluted chlorhexidine or betadine. 2. Natural healing balms. Apply a natural, pet-safe balm to the affected area to promote healing and provide relief. 2. Some options include coconut oil, manuka honey, or a blend of beeswax and herbal extracts like calendula or chamomile. Remember, if your dog's paw licking habit seems excessive or persists despite trying these natural remedies, it's always best to consult with your veterinarian to rule out any underlying health issues. 2. By addressing the root cause and using these gentle, natural approaches, you can help keep your furry friend's paws healthy and comfortable.